Welcome, everyone. In today's video, I'll be solving the exercises from Class 9 English, Unit 11, Gadgets and Instruments, specifically reading 2 on the topic of Save Your Smartphone. We'll go through each question and provide detailed answers to ensure you understand the material and can complete similar assignments with confidence. So, let's get started. A. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. A. Prolong to make something last longer. B. Essential, extremely important. C. Fading, being less bright. D. Generate, to produce. E. Gunk, any sticky or dirty substance. F. Render, to cause something to be in a particular condition. G. Notifications, notices. B. Write true for true statements and false for false ones. A. It's a good idea to keep our phones fully charged. False. B. We should keep our phones together with other gadgets. True. C. A phone is likely to hold more bacteria than a toilet seat. True. D. Setting a screen lock on the phone helps us keep the information safe. True. E. Smartphones are very useful even without apps. False. C. Answer the following questions. A. Write any 3 uses of smartphones in everyday life. Staying connected with family and friends. Staying up to date with important schedules. Buying groceries or clothes online. B. Why should we care for our phones? We should care for our phones to prolong their lifespan and also to safeguard important information that's stored there. C. Why should we not use cheap chargers to charge our phones? We should not use cheap chargers to charge our phones because the cheap chargers can catch fire. D. How can we prevent our phones from getting overheated? We can prevent our phones from getting overheated by avoiding placing them next to other gadgets which produce heat. E. How can the phone be cleaned? The phone can be cleaned by disinfecting it with an antimicrobial spray and wipe it with a soft cloth. Grammar I. B. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. Use the given sentence starters. A. He works in a bank. She said that he worked in a bank. B. We went out last night. She told me that they had gone out the previous night. C. I'm coming. She said that she was coming. D. I was waiting for the bus when he arrived. She told me that she had been waiting for the bus when he had arrived. E. I'd never been there before. She said that she'd never been there before. F. I didn't go to the party. She told me that she hadn't gone to the party. G. He said to me, help him to do his homework. He asked me to help him to do his homework. H. The doctor said to the patient, take bed rest for a week. The doctor advised the patient to take bed rest for a week. I. The commander said to his soldiers, march further. The commander ordered his soldiers to march further. Writing I. Prepare a recipe to cook your favorite dish at home. Cooking recipe for vegetable momo. Ingredients. Carrots 100 grams. Cabbage 100 grams. Potatoes 50 grams. Onions 50 grams. Tasting powder 2 teaspoons. Momo masala 3 teaspoons. Garlic and ginger paste 4 grams. Salt as per requirement. Oil 50 milliliters. Flour 120 grams. Cooking procedure. 1. Take a bowl. Prepare the dough by mixing 4, water and salt. 3. Wash all the vegetables. 4. Chop cabbage, onions, and spring onions finely. 5. Boil potatoes, grate them and grate carrots as well. 6. Take a bowl and mix chopped cabbage, onion and spring onion, grated potato and carrot, momo spices, ginger, garlic paste, and salt. 7. Portion out the dough into small pieces. 8. Roll out the pieces. 9. Place the vegetable stuffing onto the pieces and seal them. 10. Grease momo perforated container with oil. 11. Lay momo into container. 12. Heat the steamer by adding water. 13. Place the sealed momo onto the steamer. 14. Steam momo over the pot of boiling water for about 10 minutes. 15. Serve hot momo with suitable accompaniment or sauce. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for exclusive information and content. Thank you very much and see you again.